Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Sunil. Today we are going to learn English workshop of a lesson in life from A Beggar by Sudha Murthy. Before that, I request you to subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon. Therefore, you will be notified as soon as I upload a new video. Warming up. First question. A piece of advice that stopped a bad habit in you. Answer. I had a habit of nail biting. My father used to tell me again and again. But one day he scolded me in front of everyone and I stopped my bad habit. Second. A quote proverb that love to use often. Answer. Every day in every way I am getting better and better. This quotation I love to use often. Next question. An experience that taught you a lifelong lesson. Answer. One rich woman threw a coin towards a beggar. At that time, the beggar told the woman not to throw the coin. The woman became very angry and started quarreling with the beggar. Then the beggar returned that coin and told the woman not to make show of your richness. It is perishable. This experience taught me a lifelong lesson. Last, a story, news, episode, movie, play that has impressed and changed you. Answer. Nata Samrat by V.V. Sirwadkar that has impressed and changed me. Next, many slang expressions, terms are used for people having positive or negative traits. Match the expression in column A with type of person in column B. Answers are given directly. First, couched potato, lazy or good for nothing. Second, worrywart, always nervous or worried. Third, fuddy-duddy, old-fashioned or refuses change. Fourth, wet blanket, spoils other people's fun or mood. Wits, brilliant or genius. Black sheep means shameful person. Last, live wire, very energetic or active. Second, discuss with your group and write the difference in reactions of an optimist and pessimist. First, failure in exams or test. Optimist. Failure is the first step of success. I'll try my best in the coming exam. Pessimist. It's beyond my capacity. Forget it. Second, lose a good amount of cash. Optimist. The cash is not mine. Bad luck. Pessimist. What a evil fate. Bad luck. Third, unexpected rainfall or bad weather. Wow, we will enjoy. Pessimist. Oh, rain, how awful it is. Next, illness. Optimist. I have to recover as early as possible. Pessimist. I will not survive. Extra classes in school. Optimist. They will giving extra guidance. It is very nice. Pessimist. What a stupidity. I have to attend the class.